Should you install your whole house filtration system yourself or hire a contractor? It depends on your water, your home, and your comfort level. I'll walk you through the risks, the costs, and the situations where DIY works and where hiring a pro is sometimes a smarter move. I've helped thousands of homeowners install systems from peroxide pumps to iron filters and water softeners, and I've seen which installs go smoothly and which ones end up costing more when shortcuts are taken. Many homeowners don't know whether a whole house filter install is a safe DIY job or it requires a contractor. They might worry about leaks, backwash drains, electrical needs, or codes. Okay, first let's start with the DIY friendly installs, which are ones that most consumers, most homeowners can install themselves. This is where there's a single tank system or maybe a whole house cartridge filter, and there's easy access to the plumbing. And so there are many available parts and tools now where you don't, say you have copper piping, you don't actually have to get out a torch and sweat and solder copper piping. There's quick connect fittings that are code friendly and that'll work with your existing piping that basically anybody can do. Second one is, what tools do you need and how long does it take? If for a whole house system where you're just cutting into the pipe and you're not having to run separate pipes for irrigation or gardening, then you're talking probably a half a day, anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. One thing that comes up is that installing the system is one thing. So you get the system installed, but you need to take a little time to start it up. So it can take an hour or so if you have, say, a whole house filter, backwash filter, or a water softener, to add the salt, program the control head, and then backwash it and get it started. And so you want to leave a little bit of time. You don't want to just install it and leave, or have your handyman or plumber install and leave. You want to make sure that it's started up properly. It's very easy to do. It doesn't take that long, and we give complete instructions on how to do it. When do you need to get a permit, or when is it not code to install it yourself? There are some counties in the country, it's not usually the entire state. There are a few states where they try to enact laws where they don't want you to put in your own. Let's just use water softener as an example. They don't want you to put in a water softener. They want you to get a permit, and they want you to hire a plumber. So if that's the case, most states, my understanding is that you can get your own permit. You can go and get your own permit, and as long as you get follow the guidelines and the rules, they'll sign off on it for you, or they'll come and inspect it. So when should you definitely hire a professional? So there are some situations where you might want to consider a professional, especially if there's a lot of work under your house and you don't want to crawl under your house, or if you have a crawl space, or if it's complicated in the basement where you can't reach it, or again, if your state definitely required a permit, then you'd have to get a plumber. And then if you had a very complicated system where you have like storage tanks and float switches and multiple iron filter chlorination system, so you have a multi-stage, very large system, and you don't want to spend yourself a couple days installing it, then you might want to hire a plumbing contractor to actually put it all together for you. Again, as long as they follow the diagrams and read the manuals, then they're fine. Then the hybrid option is where you hire a plumber or handyman to actually connect the piping, and then you actually do the rest of it. So in that case, a lot of times folks will save lots of costs, because what they'll do is they'll get the equipment there. They'll make sure it's all there before they call the plumber. They make sure they have everything on hand, have them leave it on bypass. You can then start it up. So it's sort of a hybrid approach. It'll save you a lot of time and money. In summary, if you feel like you can safely cut into your copper piping, or if you have PAX piping yourself, then usually you can do it yourself. As long as you're willing to read the manual, watch the videos, and if you have any questions or need any help during the process, we have expert support guys that are on the phone all day long. They can share screens. They can actually text you on your phone, and they can see what you're looking at. You can show them what you're doing, and our expert installers can work with them virtually or you and tell you exactly what to do, which again will save you a lot of time and money. Take my free 5-minute water quiz for a custom plan. And if you want to see a step-by-step decision process for choosing the right system in the first place, watch my video on softener versus filter, how to choose right in 3 steps.